Okay, this property that we're looking at now is 71 West Park Avenue. It used to be the National Freight Building. It's being converted into offices for the city of Vineland. We are now tasked with waterproofing and painting the entire exterior. And you can see these stone aggregate panels are extremely porous and they're very difficult to get coated completely. In addition to that, they've got water penetration issues everywhere that these columns meet the stone aggregate panels. And there are, I believe, 200 and some panels, 270 panels. So there's 270 points of vulnerability. We have to make sure each one of those was completely sealed up. So what we did was we used a special saw, and it cuts out 100% of the expansion joint. It also cuts out any loose mortar or cementatious residue that's inside of that seam. Then we stick backer rod in, which is basically a foam rod. The caulk that we used on this building was Sherwin-Williams Lox-On H1 caulk. And traditionally, in these kind of joints, either a single component or a two component urethane caulk is what's used. We're now using Sherwin-Williams Lox-On H1 caulk, which is a hybrid. It's really interesting. It's siliconized urethane. It dries quicker than the traditional urethane caulk. It's paintable a few hours later, so we don't have to wait a week to paint the caulk. And we're coming back over this whole building with Sherwin-Williams Lox-On XP, and it is a really good product. We use this all the time. The Sherwin-Williams XP really needs to be put on heavy on these stone aggregate panels. Everything needs to be sprayed and back rolled. So we spray the first coat. You can see my guys are back rolling into the corners on the first coat, and then we spray and back roll completely the second coat. That gives us a good finish, and it'll last a lot of years.